Kind of creating a little pinch point there on the rope, which we don't want. This is why no one's climbed this, man. You gotta be careful if you do this climb. Morning, fellow earthlings. We are out here on a lovely rainy day at Paint Creek State Park. And I had originally planned to come out with the second part of the Mammoth Cave video where we actually surveyed a little bit and maybe broke a record, a world record, but realized that was going to take a lot longer than I thought, so I'm just doing a short video of down here at Paint Creek because I have been cleaning some climbs along with a friend of mine. And creating some new routes down here. So if you want to come out and climb in southern Ohio, hit me up. So if you see that playground and you take the trail that goes back behind it into the woods, this side, the right side, that's where the climbing area is.
What should we call this one?
So me and Dalton, we just cleaned this, and I think no one has climbed it because the top rope anchors are kind of weird. Making a new route down here at Paint Creek State Park climbing area. Let's see if we can climb it.
Poopy's Canyon.
Gene.
Gene?
Gene. Let's just call it Gene. Let me see what you got. There's mine. 8.
8.
Looking good.
That's pretty good. Looks safe-ish.
On belay?
Lay on.
Climbing. Fucking fist jam in here, not quite. This is the tricky part here. Oh, dirty still. Lots of dirt coming out. Right in my eye.
How's it going?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi there.
Good job.
Thank you. Halfway. I think that's the hardest part. Come up this part, and this needs cleaned out more for sure. And then you transfer to the left. Here, somewhere, there's holds. Here's a hold here. There's definitely holds. Yeah, this is a kind of fun little climb. That beginning's a little tricky, but it's not too hard.
Yeah, that looks like a good part I don't know why I thought that thing was a ladybug for so long.
Chalk up some of the holds actually so you can see them. Know what you're going for. But where do the feet go? On the edge. And this thing, I wouldn't put all your weight on that.
It looks like it's detached.
It's, I mean,
It's not anywhere else.
yeah, it probably won't fall. But
Probably.
and climb. And we could go all the way to the top if we wanted. There we are. Cool. There's our climb, and I'm kind of gonna watch this anchor up here. Yeah, I kind of don't want the rope like that, so I'm just gonna climb back up there. Yeah, it's like kind of creating a little pinch point there on the rope, which we don't want. This is why no one's climbed this, man. You gotta be careful if you do this climb. And maybe put your anchors lower. So try to keep them over that. Hang on just a sec, don't lower me. So when you come down, try to keep the anchor over that point. Do you see it? Yeah, you don't want it to go in that crack. This is a decent little climb though, if you don't cut your rope in that scissor point. All right, give me slack, or I'm gonna get up here. Yeah, a lot of it's gonna be for a minute. I mean, the more we climb it, the less dirty it'll be. If people don't think this is too dangerous to climb. I mean, it's kind of like a beginner climb, but not so much a beginner setup. It's not hard to set up, it's just kind of sketchy. It's just kind of sketchy. Safe as bees. Also, if you fall, you're gonna hit that tree behind you. And maybe I can get that. I got it. Oh. So we might want to maybe even belay from further back here. Might be the move as well. Since this video, we've created one more route that's a bit safer than this one and cleaned up a few others. And we'll continue to do so in the near future. So give me a shout if you'd like to help out. As always, enjoy the great outdoors, leave it better than you found it, and thanks for adventuring with Dangerous Naturous.